Hey guys, today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix the no sound error on your Microsoft Edge. So first of all, open your browser and then select three dot icon here. Scroll below, go for settings. Under settings, you will see reset settings. No matter what settings you have enabled, go ahead and reset it. As you do that, it will reset to its default values, meaning everything that made changes to your sound will be disabled. And once you do that, try again. If it's still not working, check if you have mistakenly disabled your sound. For that, select the sound, make sure this is enabled or full. Now again, come below at the search bar, type in sound. You will see sound mixer options. Select it, make sure this is set to more than 80% for full sound. Make sure this is set to speaker, and everything that is supposed to be here is here for you. And likewise, if you would like to reset it, you may also go ahead and select reset. As you do that, reset sound devices and volumes for all the apps to the recommended defaults. It will be like this. Once done, restart your device and this shall fix your problem.